Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. This is the day Wednesday, alright guys? You know what that means if you've been following me for more than 1 week. I have this every week. This is Wish Wednesday. You wish for songs. You want to learn maybe a song for your mom or for dad, for your own sake. Maybe you grew up with one song you always want to learn. You leave me a comment. I want to learn this one. Please, please, please. I read everything and sometimes I bring up one or two. And this week we actually will bring up 2 songs for you guys. So this will be one of them. And yes, this is a song from Powfu. He's been here a million times. This one is called Highschool Baskets, and it's you, Fuxedo, but also you, Phantom Hollow. I believe that's your name as well. At least you two asked for this song, maybe more people. So Powfu Highschool Baskets, this is special for you two guys, but maybe other ones as well, or Powfu fans. Let's go into this one. As you can see, no need for any capo here. We have 4 chords we need to learn, so let's start with F first. This is a bar chord, so you place index finger on the 1st fret, you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. If you think this is too hard with bar chords, sometimes you can get away with simpler version. And this could be 1, the F major 7 for instance. You don't have to bar anything or have too many fingers. So I can show you this as well. This works for the strumming pattern at least. So it goes with 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Pretty easy compared to the bar, but the bar is better. This is the better one. So try for the bar chord. This is the F. Next chord will be G. And that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. We have C next. That goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, open E, and the last one is A minor 7. And that will be open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. This will be the chord progression through entire song, okay? And we have 2 different styles of playing this. The melody first, we're gonna look into that, and then finally the strumming. So for melody, we're gonna start with F, and I suggest you hold the 1st chord like this. First index finger on the 1st fret E string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret G, and your mid finger on the 1st fret B, okay? You have to angle your arm a little bit outside like this to get in place with everything like this. At least I do that. So you're gonna play. So 1st fret E string, then 2nd G, and then you play 1st B together with open high E. And then you go back to 1st E string in the bass. And then you play 2nd G together with 1st B. That's it. So, and there's pauses in between all these chords. So once you play that, pause, and then you go into the next chord. Now, the G. And I suggest to hold the G with maybe a mid finger or index finger like this. It's up to you. On the 3rd fret E string in the bass to start with, okay? Because you're gonna use another finger down there on the 3rd fret B string very soon. So yeah, you're gonna play like this. Okay, so 3rd fret E string in the bass, then open G, and then you play open B and open high E simultaneously. Then you go back to 3rd fret E string in the bass, and then you play open G together with 3rd B. And a pause before you go into the next chord, the C. And C, I suggest to hold the chord as it is. And you play this part. So that is to play 3rd fret A, then 2nd D. Then you play open G together with 1st B. Then you go to the 2nd D, and then you play open G and open B together. That's it, And then finally we have the A minor 7. You hold the chord as it is, you play this. So that is open A, second D, then open G and first B together, then second D, and finally open G and open B together. And that finishes one round. And that is what you could play from the beginning till the very end of this song. I'm gonna give you one round slowly so you understand what's going on and you have time to absorb every note and all that. So let's do it together. And just a little bit faster, because this is a pretty slow song. It goes like this. Alright, like I said, play this throughout the song if you want to, but you can also mix it up with some strumming. Now let's go into that. So now you have to hold the full chords as they are. If you go with the full chord bar F or with the F major 7, it's up to you. I'm gonna demonstrate the full F because that sounds better in my opinion. It gets the full depth and yeah, full spectrum of the chord. So you're gonna play down, down, clap, down, or just down, 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 down. So that clap is more based upon the beat, and the other one, yeah, it follows the rhythm as well. So we're gonna start with the clap, which I suggest like this for one round. So down, down, clap, down. You're gonna play 2 of these per chord. So F2, G2, C2, A minor 7, 2, and notice the transition here from C to A minor 7 is just to take away this 3rd fret A string to get the A minor 7. So very neat, okay? That is the first version. Like I said, you can replace that clap with a down instead. So that means you're gonna play 4 downs. In that way, I suggest you play that 3rd down on the higher strings down here. So bass, bass, top, bass will be 1 string around. With bass, I mean these strings, and top, these strings. Okay, so like this. And that, my friends, Special You, Fixito, and Phantom Hollow, maybe a couple others. This is how you handle Highschool Baskets Powfu song. So, thank you for being here on this channel. I appreciate your support, your comments, and if you can give me a like on this one, I'll work a lot for you guys, then that will be perfect scenario. Win-win. So, yep, hope to see you soon, and make sure you continue subscribing here on this channel, wish for songs, and watch my other tutorials. Everything to, like, build up your persona around the guitar and just go out and get the songs. Yeah, whatever. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.